Aren't
Hi,
you?
Kuro. That's your like mom and
cute.
daughter. Oh my god, Kuro is so cute. Thank you so much for saying that. I'm not a mom though.
Cute.
I'll never be a mom.
Ridiculous mommy.
My kid will probably be like the poor kid. Wait, your kid will
Feels
from
like
drinking
what you're
expired
hearing.
breast milk from your hag sack. Oh, me.
Razor!
What the? Oh my god. That's
That's
crazy.
something I thought I would be hearing today.
Razor, that's
You're
what you
making me
do.
laugh, stop! You're like infectious laughter, girl.
Expired. Wait. You got the dusty one, like, and I'm like, mine's expired.
What? Wait, my hack sack is.
Yeah. They would try to
What are you trying to
squeeze
say?
out some
Powdered?
milk, but it's just like
Dusty?
powdered milk. Dust comes out. I know. And cobwebs too. It came out.
My abs hurt, bro. Oh my god.